morning, boys and girls, and welcome to another day of Circle Time Kids Club. My name is Miss Porter, and these are my friends, Pete the cat, Raphael, and Olivia. And we're so glad to see you today. Buenos dias. Hola. Hao. You never know how we're going to say hello to you today or good morning. And what I said that was in Espanol and Chinese. Okay, boys and girls, let's get started with a song. I'm so glad to see you again, see you again, see you again. I'm so glad to see you again. Welcome to Circle Time. Oh my goodness, we need to get started on some awesome learning today. Now, boys and girls, do you know that you have 5 senses? Can you say your 5 senses? I can see with my eyes. I can smell with my nose. I can hear with my ears. I can taste with my tongue. And I can touch with my hands. Alla walla do do do. Oh yeah. Alla walla do do do. Oh yeah. I love you. Okay, boys and girls, are you ready to go over our colors? Can you say your colors? What about you, Pete and friends? Do you know your colors? Raphael, Olivia, have you been practicing? All right, let's get started with saying our colors. Oh my goodness, gravy. Where is Miss Porter's pointer? Here it is. Pete, what did I tell you about bothering my pointer? Okay, let's get started. This is the color red. This is the color orange. And before I go on, for all of my hearing impaired friends out there, when I touch my chin throughout our broadcast, that means I'm acknowledging them and I want them to say and repeat after me what I'm saying, okay? All right, let's start over. This is the color red. This is the color orange. This is the color yellow. Green, blue, purple, cafe, negro. Where did that come from? Oh, Miss Porter was getting ahead of herself. But that's the color black. When we start over, we're going to do the colors in Spanish, okay? But this is the color black. All right, boys and girls, let's do those colors in English again. And I know, Pete, let's not get ahead of ourselves. Then we'll do the colors in Spanish, okay? Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, brown, black. Very good. Let's say those colors again in English. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, brown, black. Very good. Okay, boys and girls, now let's say our colors in Spanish. And if you keep listening and trying, then you get a dynamite from Harold the dinosaur, because you are doing such an awesome job. Okay, let's get started with saying our colors in Spanish. Rojo, anaranjado, amarillo, verde, azul, morado, café, negro, negro. Very good. Let's say those again in Spanish. Rojo, anaranjado, amarillo, verde, azul, morado, café, negro, negro. Very good. Harold the dinosaur says you did dynamite work. And thank you for trying. Okay, boys and girls, let's sing a song. Are you ready to sing a song? All right, let's get started. If all the raindrops were lemon drops and gumdrops, oh, what a rain it would be. Standing outside with my mouth open wide, singing, ah, 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 ah. If all the snowflakes was lemon drops and cupcakes, oh, what a snow it would be. Standing outside with my mouth open wide, saying, ah, 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 ah. That sounded like some yummy rain. Okay, boys and girls, do you know your days of the week? Let's say our days of the week. 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 There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. 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 Okay, let's say the days of the week. Are you ready, Pete and friends? All right, are you ready? Okay, let's get started. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Very good. Let's do that again. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Very good, boys and girls. Now, can you say your days of the week in Spanish? Let's say the days of the week in Spanish. Lunes, martes, miércoles, jueves, viernes, sábado, domingo. Very good. Let's say those again. Lunes, martes, miércoles, jueves, viernes, sábado, Domingo. Oh, oh, you get a dynamite. You did such an awesome job. Okay, boys and girls. Now, do you know your months of the year? Let's say our months of the year. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. All right, you're doing so good. Okay, boys and girls, now let's say the months of the year in Spanish. Enero, Febrero, Marzo, Abril, Mayo, Junio, Julio, Agosto, Septiembre, Octubre, Noviembre, Diciembre. Very good. You get a dynamite from Harold. He is so proud of you. Okay, boys and girls. Now, can you count your numbers? Let's count some numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's do that again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's go to 20. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Very good, boys and girls. Now, let's count from 1 to 20 in Espanol. Are you ready, Olivia? What about you, Rafael? Let's count from 1 to 20 in Spanish. All right, let's get started. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Very good. You did such a good job. And Mr. Harold the dinosaur says dynamite work. Okay, boys and girls. Now, would you like to say a nursery rhyme about two little people that went up a hill and I think they hurt themselves? Let's say this one together. This is called Jack and Jill. Jack and Jill went up the hill to fetch a pail of water. Jack fell down and broke his crown, and Jill came tumbling after. Let's say that again. Jack and Jill went up the hill to fetch a pail of water. Jack fell down and broke his crown, and Jill came tumbling after. Very good. Okay, boys and girls, are you ready to sing a song? Let's sing a song. Bzzz. Raphael and Olivia, did you get your, what was that? Bzzz. That was a bumblebee. I'm bringing home a baby bumblebee. Won't my mommy be so proud of me? I'm bringing home a baby bumblebee. Ouch! He stung me. I'm squishing up the baby bumblebee. Won't my mommy be so proud of me? I'm squishing up the baby bumblebee. Ew, gross. What a mess. I'm going to get some soap and some warm water. I'm washing off the baby bumblebee. Won't my mommy be so proud of me? I'm washing off the baby bumblebee. All clean. Very good. You did a good job listening or singing along with me that song. Okay, boys and girls, do you know your alphabets? Let's say our alphabets. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Very good. Let's sing the alphabets. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now I said my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? Very good. You get a dynamite work from Harold the Dinosaur.